How to make a new user with same phone on Temu. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open your Temu application and get logged into your Temu account. Now, in order to add a new user, tap onto Use section on your bottom page. Then tap on the settings icon on your top page. Here you will see Switch Accounts. Tap onto it. As you can see that this is my primary account. In case you would like to add a secondary account, tap on Add Account. Now simply type in your email address, phone number, and tap on Continue. Then choose the account where you are registered. And that way, you will be able to get logged into your account that is secondary. Tap on Switch Account again, and you will see two accounts here. Just like so, this is how you can do it. In case you would like to remove an account, then tap on Remove an Account. Then choose the account that you would like to remove, then tap on Done. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.